everyone, my name is Kanika and today I'm going to explain you how we can track a thank you page or any other landing page of your website in Google Analytics GA4. So let us start with the process now. Today in my video, I'm going to explain you how we can set up a tracking for a thank you page or any other landing page of your website in GA4. So for that, first of all, you need to access your Google Analytics account with the required Gmail through which your property is being created. Sign up to your account. You can see this type of Google Analytics dashboard will appear in front of you. Now from the search bar here, you need to select the required property or the required account of your website. After that, here on the left side, you can see the reports. After clicking on the reports, you need to navigate to the events under the engagement, and here you can find the details of all of your events for your website being created. So let's see how to do that. You need to now go to the admin section here. Under the data display, click on the events. Click on create event button here. After that, again you need to click on the create button here. So once you go to this page, then you need to enter a descriptive name of your custom event, such as I am tracking the thank you page of my website, so I'll keep my goal or event name such as thank you lead, thank you page lead, or any other name you can add which is easy for you to differentiate from the other goals. Now you need to set the matching conditions here. So you need to choose the event name equals to the page view as the primary condition here. After that, you need to add a secondary condition also, that is page location, where you will add the link of your page that you want to track. Here you have to, now I'm going to fill up this form to see if the tracking works or not. So as I'm just testing it, so I'm adding the first name last name as the test only. You need to now submit this. So once I submit my form of the thank you page that you are going to track. So this is important and it is required to tell Google Analytics like when to fire this parameter. So after that, you need to enable the option of copy parameters from the source event. Although by default it is enabled, but if it is not, then you need to enable it. So once all this details are added, just click on the create button here again. Now you can see that the thank you page lead is being created for your website. Now to check if it is working or not, you need to go to the real time of your Google Analytics. You can find that again on the reports. Here you can see that. So to check that out, you need to open your website in different browser. You can use the incognito mode or any other system to do that. So now here is my website and the form for my website is located under the contact us page. It is, you can see a thank you pages appear in front of me. So this page, for this page I've already set up my tracking. Now let's see if it is working or not. Add the link of the page. Now let us check in the real time if this is being tracked or not. We need to wait for a while so that the analytics can get us the real time results for the website. So now you can see under the event count. So yeah, here is the event that we just created, thank you page lead. So yes, it is showing up here with one event count as one form is filled up here by me. So it means our goal is created correctly and it is working fine now. Also, you need to keep in mind that the new events may take up to 24 hours to appear in all of the event page option under the engagements here. So you need so first of all, after creating your goals, you can check that on the real time if it is working correctly or not. Then wait for the 24 hours to see that event being finally showing up here. So within 24 hours, this event will be visible here, and after that, you can mark that as a conversion and it will be counted as a conversion also. So that's all about this, and this guide will surely help you in tracking effectively the thank you page views or any other landing page views which you want to track in GA4. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.